today's vlog, guys, mag-skyscraper ko, guys. So, ako ikuan ang first na kong ride sa skyscraper. And then, karon kay padung mo ulit Pilipinas niya, nalang ko one request nga gusto ko musakay sa skyscraper nga dili na ako magsigit-sigit. No emotion. Okay, so karon kaya mag-get ready lang ko. Not brush ako ka na may lamos. Di na ako maligo kay. Siguro may masukay niya dahil muli. So, yeah. So, mara to, guys. Fuck, excited ako. Excited ako matay. Bakuloy, tok-tok pala yun. Tinundan niya ba. So, see you. Kita tong sobrang lemot ko. Lemot ko. Hi guys, before I continue this vlog, so I want to share to you a little bit of my business idea. So, mag-business like ko, guys, and this is like a soap business. So, if you're like me, having difficult, having issue with your skin, especially kung pareha ka na ko nga sensitive in mong skin, I'm planning to make a soap nga very affordable for everyone. And this is an anti-inflammatory soap. So, di ka magka-redness or like you will feel pain. This is for like me nga gusto na ko nga unsay maka-healthy sa kong panit, unsay makauyon sa kong panit. So yeah, I'm just like letting you guys know like soon it will come out. Not yet, but when I go back to the Philippines, that's when I'm going to start making it. So yeah, and I will make sure it's like proven and tested. I will try it for, swayan ako first, and then if makauyon ko, I will let you see the result and hope you guys will support me. Hi guys, nagilis ko guys kay feel na ko init yung kayo. May joke guys, kung ba ano kayo ko guys. Like ako ang klase nga tao nga hilig yung kayo rides, di yung ko maatras kung sa panang rides, pero ang skyscraper man good diri guys kay taas yung kayo sa tanan. Taas pa sa boomerang niya. Like kabaw ko, walay gasugo na ako, pero kaya mo na ako, pero di lang dyan ko kaya ko di ba dyan ko makasyagit. Pero yeah, nangurog na ko yawa. Nangurog na ko. So guys, on the way namin sa Del, and this is the road on the way to Del. Hi guys, so karon nag-drive-through me. Pero ako ready kaon. So hi guys, na namin sa Del's and ipakita na naman kung asa dapit ang skyscraper, kinakalimot. May kung asa to dapit. So yeah, mo ni ang Del's guys. Dako kay na guys, kita na mga tao guys, oh. Gamay kita na. So tanaw guys. Di na siya guba guys, sa style na siya guys. Tanaway lang building, away lang style. So money ang Dels guys. So padung mi sa skyscraper. So hi guys, mo na ang skyscraper ko. Oh my god. Holy shit. Okay, tanawa unsa siya kataas guys. Ding 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 ding. So, mo ni ha, tanawan ninyo sa kataas. Mura ka pa dong langit. So, imagine mo na diha. So, mo ni siya guys. Awal guys sa kataas. Kuya pantan. Mo na makaingon ko nga. Unsa ko na ako di pagsagit. Oh, no. So, tanaw na to. Oh my god, I need to pee. It's close? Guys, close. So guys, tanawa. So hi guys, bad news. The skyscraper, it's closed. So guys, dili day siya close guys. Oy, nalibang ra day ang kanang operator. Ay di, dibito, di man sa nalibang. Ni gawas ra tali ba? I think na. I'm not sure, pero yeah, we're going to check it out. May buwang diri guys. Sige, migbuhat sa kanang operator. Open daw, pero wala ang operator. So, what na lang may. So guys, nana ang operator sa skyscraper guys. So, oh my god! So, here we go. guys, mana. And as what I said, di ko mo siya agad. So karon ambot wa pa mi kabakon sa isunod na mo buhaton, pero I think mamauli na lang mi. So yeah. So hi guys, so kato mo reaction guys, i-record to sa GoPro and then they put it in here. This is a USB look. So awa na siya word nga skyscraper, like memory, like you know, cute kayo. So yeah, and if it's, you know, if wala na lang may buhaton guys, and then yeah, we probably just gonna go home, and I think this is the part where I'm gonna end the video or the vlog, and hope you like it guys, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you to my next vlog. Bye. Guys, bad news. That's sad. I was trying to get the video from the skyscraper. Kanang gitryan na mo kanang upload ang video sa USB through kuan. Kay need na ko. And dili siya mo read guys. Wa siya ni read. So karon padung mi balik dito guys. Padung mi balik sa Dells. Kay among paon ang video. Yeah. Among ko na video and ibayad mi ato guys, sayang sad. Pero and also for the vlog, yeah. So see you there again. Guys, padung na may uli, and like what happened is like, so kay dili man jud ma-read ang USB, so ang gibuhat sa operator was like he refund us, and then also send a video sa WhatsApp. Pero the sad thing is like ang among tingog sa video kay dili madunggan. Yeah, di siya madunggan, pero wako ni syagit kaysa, so like instead of the original, you know, how do you say this, original audio, ako na siya ilisdan og music nga, you know, relaxing sa inyong mga dunggan. So yeah, that's what happened, and now we're going home. And yeah, thank you for watching this vlog guys. Enjoy.
There was only the silence. Sing a song for the broken hearted. But only the silent prayer for faith divided. And I ain't gonna be just dancing around. Ain't gonna hear my voice and shout it out loud. It's my life now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just wanna live the life. My heart is like an back down.